Hello my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. Whole country is in the trap of COVID virus. Now, this virus has reached in the village areas also. We all know that. Now the problem is scarcity of doctors in the village areas. Hospitals, people are afraid to go to the hospitals. They have got the fear in their minds that if we go to the hospital, we will not come back. And that is the fact, my friends. The fear is very, very common now. And the second is money, my friends. People don't have money to go to the private hospitals. Now what to do, my friends? Your family doctor has come here to help you, to really guide my country, in fact the whole world. I want to guide this time, my friends. If you get cough, cold, fever from day one, my friends, today if you get, you can directly start inhalers. Directly. No need of guidance of any doctor. You start inhalers from day one. Pump, we say pump. People think that this is for asthma patients. It's nothing like that, my friends. People think that we'll get used to the inhalers. We will get used for pump. No, my friends, no. Please remove this myth, this wrong myth that we will get used to it. You can use this inhaler bindas for 1 month. Nothing will happen. No side effects, my friends. No side effects. You can use it 2 times in a day. And my friends, the second is nebulizer. Nebulizer machine. My friends, we all have seen this machine. You can directly start nebulizer machine from day one. Nebulizer. What medicine to put in this? Even a medical chemist shop will tell you. Or you can ask your doctor on the phone what to put in this. He will guide you. My friends, start this from day one. Really, it helps. Now, my friends, medicines. Frankly speaking, there are many medicines which we all know. In fact, it's going on WhatsApp, Facebook. We all know, these are the medicines. But the fact is, no medicines act in COVID-19. No medicines. It may work, if you got fever, you can take fever medicines. If you got fever, you can take injection from your family doctor. My friends, the only drugs which act are steroids. But here comes black fungus, mucormycosis. Mucormycosis right now has created a lot of danger in the minds of, fear in the minds of people. Fear. The point is, diabetic patients have to use steroids under the guidance of good doctor. You just can't take steroids on your own. You just can't take steroids by going to the chemist shop and start taking steroids. You just can't. Black fungus, mucormycosis is simple. If your immunity comes down, and diabetes causes low immunity, the fungus goes in the nose and it reaches the eyes. The treatment for mucormycosis, remove the complete eye. You have to remove the complete eye. My friends, if the fungus reaches the brain, it's very difficult for survival. Patient may die. Now, how is this mucormycosis caused? Is it really caused in the hospitals or at home? I will not go into this point. I don't want to fall into any controversy. But the point is, if you are diabetic and if you are taking steroids without the guidance of doctor, you are at very high risk of mucormycosis. Very high risk, my friends. So first point is, the main point is, control diabetes. We think that by sitting at home you are safe. Never. COVID has come into the house. COVID is there in the house. I have seen people who have not come down for a year, couple of years. Even then, they got COVID and they have died. Old people, elderly people, they are at very high risk even at sitting at home. Hence, my friends, please control diabetes. Lockdown has resulted into high diabetes for everyone because They have stopped even walking, exercise, and they have started eating at home. Nothing, no work. So start eating. Diabetes has increased like anything, my friends. Now the major point is, my friends, pulse oximeter. Lastly, I want to say that if your oxygen comes down 92, 91, 90 and less than 90, then definitely you need oxygen. Oxygen you need. Now this oxygen, if you don't get anywhere, so you can take the oxygen at home. You can buy an oxygen cylinder at home. If you don't want to go to the hospitals, if you're afraid to go to the hospitals, if you don't have no place in the hospitals, but at that time you will need oxygen cylinder. My friends, yes, this is the only treatment of COVID and nothing else. Start inhalers from day one. Very superb medicine, my friends. Very superb medicine. Start nebulizer from day one. Start it. My friends, there are really nothing of COVID. COVID gets cured on its own. Your immunity is strong. You will get cured. Crores and crores of people have been cured of COVID. Why? Immunity. So you have to only see that the oxygen does not come down. And these are the only methods which you can use at home. And we all know steam inhalation. But by steam inhalation, it does not go in the lungs. Inhalers directly go in the lungs. Directly. And one more thing, my friends. Those patients who are asthmatic, COPD, who are using these inhalers regularly, those patients really got survived from COVID. In fact, they were very much afraid that we will die by COVID. But those patients who are really using these inhalers, they didn't even get admitted in the hospitals. Very few, I don't know, definitely very few. So hence, my friends, inhalers are magic. Start using from day one of your cough, cold or fever. My friends, today's topic was how to prevent yourself from COVID, from getting less oxygen from the COVID by sitting at home, because there are no doctors, no hospitals, no place in the hospitals, fear to go in the hospitals, and if we go, we will not come back, and no money, my friends. Hence I came with this video, because I can't see my country in so much trouble, man. I can't see, because I know that public sitting at home, they are dying, sitting at home, they are getting serious. But crores and crores of people are sitting at home and they are getting cured. Crores and crores of people. Remember this positive point. If people are dying at home, there are crores of people who are getting cured at home. Cured at home. My friends, I really want this lockdown to get over. I want my country to get back again. I want my people to go to work. They should earn for their bread and butter, my friends. I can't see my public, my country, sitting at home, and they are really suffering, my friends. Everyone wants that they should go to work. Now nobody wants lockdown. So this is really request to God now. It's request to God now. Please, my God, everything should stop. Everything should be back to normal like earlier. My India should be again back to form. This is really a sincere prayer from my side. Hence I came up with this video. Inhaler, nebulizer, and right time to use steroids. Not to use steroids anyhow. A doctor will guide you how to use steroids. Till then, it's a goodbye from your doctor, Dr. AP. Thank you very much, my friends. Namaskar. Jai Hind.